The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Saturday, June 14th, and our gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 5 verses 38 to 42. Jesus said, "Say yes when you mean yes, and say no when you mean no." Probably one of the things that are happening in our government, in our society, and even in our own community, or even in our own family, even within ourselves, is the hair splitting of the truth. It's the dissecting of the truth just so it may be favorable to our own likeness. Meaning to say, if we want the truth, it must be favorable to us. If the truth is not favorable to us, then we would like to change it on the way we want it. In our politics especially, many people have their own kind of truth. If that is favorable to their own selfish interests, then that must be the one to happen. If that is against their own principle, then it is not the kind of truth that they want. Subjectivity or relative truth is the kind of truth that many people want. But today, Jesus Christ is reminding all of us, the simplicity of life is this: the objective truth. The objective truth must always be true no matter what, especially in terms of our faith. Today, when we talk about life, when we talk about marriage, when we talk about birth control, when we talk about abortion, when we talk about murder, and all those things around us, modern ideologies are trying to hair split or dissect the truth just so it will serve their purpose. Let us be reminded of what Jesus said. Say yes when you mean yes, and say no when you mean no. The only standard of truth, remember this, is what Jesus said. The Word of God is the only standard, no less, that we have to follow if we want to be on the right path. May the yes of our Blessed Lady be our inspiration in saying yes to the truth of the gospel. God bless.